So in the last videos, we started a new batch on logic based programming, and this is the 15th batch what we have. And the duration of this batch is so around 50 to 60 classes we are going to take. That means almost so 2 months duration will be there for this course. Okay, just 1 second. Please wait, guys. Yeah, sorry for the delay, guys. Can you please confirm, am I audible now?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Right. So in the last videos, we started a new batch for logic based programming, and already we completed so 14 batches, and this is nothing but 15th batch what we have. The duration of this course is 2 months duration will be there, 50 to 60 classes, and the timings of this session is from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. every day. From 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. 1 hour class will be there, and these demos will be there from 5 to 6 o'clock. So almost we are at the second demo. Already first demo got completed, this is the second demo. So tomorrow also demo will be there. So from Friday onwards we will have our regular classes. So from Friday onwards, if you want to join, the timings of that session will be from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And the fees for this batch is rupees 2500, and this is the contact number what we have: 7207212427, or you can contact to durgasoft online training at gmail.com. And the tool which we are using for practicing these programs is nothing but hacker rank tool we are using. And the prerequisite for this program, I mean for this course is minimum you should have at least one programming language background, whether it may be C or C++ or Java or Python, anything. You should have a knowledge in coding. Okay, and the implementation of these programs will be covered so under C language, so Java and also Python. In all these three programming languages we are going to implement the program. And the total how many programs we are going to cover? So 350 programs we are going to cover as a part of this course. So once if you purchase the course, you are going to get live class link. Okay, you are going to get live class link you will get. So in addition to that, running notes, even the recorded videos also, so we will share. And then hacker rank link. Sir, already the old demo classes are there, so if you want new demo classes also, I will share in the chat window. Okay, next, so the levels of these programs will be from basics to advanced level will be there. So 70% of I mean complexities you can expect from this. And I told these are divided into these categories, like program number 1 to 50. So we are going to cover basic formula based programs. So next, so program number 51 to 100, we are going to cover while loop based programs. Program number 101 to 150, for loop based programs. And from 150, 151 to 225, array based programs, matrix based programs, and string based programs, and frequently asked coding questions we have to discuss. These are nothing but what we have. So next term, so these are the list of programs which we are going to cover. Okay, so total how many programs we are going to cover? Around 350 programs we are going to cover. And yesterday, sir, we have seen first program, like program number 001. What is this first program? How to print welcome message on the screen. Okay, so we have seen examples for that. Next, and after that, logic for this program, and even the implementation in C language, in Java and Python, how you can able to do. And even we have seen second program also, like how you can able to calculate addition value, addition of two numbers. These are the things which we covered in the last session. Now in today's session, I am going for the next program. You can see what is this program, sir. So program number 3. So the title of the program is next integer. What is the title of the program? Next integer. We have to implement a program which is going to take a number as the input, and we have to increment that value. So by how many units? 1 unit. That means already program is there, just we have to increase its value by 1 unit, plus 1 we have to add. So if you take some examples for this, do you know if the given input is 4, the output what we are expecting is what? 4. So 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. 5 is the output. Suppose if input is 8, what output we are going to get? 9. So 8 plus 1. Suppose if input is minus 7, what is output? Minus 7 plus 1, you will get minus 6. This is nothing but what we have. And what is the logic behind this program? We have to read. We have to read. So n value from the user. We have to read n value from the user, and we have to increment the value by 1 unit. So in C language and Java, we have increment operator is there. But in Python, we don't have any increment operator. After incrementing the value, we have to print. That's all, sir. So first step is what? We have to read the value of n from the user. After reading the n value, we need to increment that value by 1 unit, and you have to print the value of n. This is nothing but logic what we have. Okay. So this is nothing but what is the logic and examples for this program. Please confirm, is this concept, is it clear for everyone? Please confirm so that we can go for implementation. Clear up to this? Yes, please respond. Clear up to this? Yes, Gautam, Naresh. Right. Now let us go for implementation of these programs. We are going to implement this in C language. First, we are going to implement in C language. What is a hacker rank tool that we used? So https colon double slash www dot so hackerrank.com slash lbp. Okay, lbp test. This is nothing but the link what we have. So just we need to open that link. In that link, we are going to get all the programs. Sir, which program we are going to solve? Third program I am going to solve. You can see implement a program that takes a number as an input and increment the number by using +1. Sir, you can see the sample inputs, like if input is 1, output is 2. If input is -1, output is nothing but 0. Like that we are going to get. So we have to implement a program for this. Okay. So how to do this? Just I'm going to take C language implementation. Okay. Next and after that, so we are going to take an integer number like n. So scanf percentage d comma ampersand n I am taking. Then what is the next operation? N plus plus. We have to increment the value by 1 unit and we need to print that number after that. That's all. So whatever value that we incremented, it will be added. If you want, you can see. So like this we have, and submit the code for final approval. Is the remaining cases are going to be executed or not? Yes, you can see all the remaining test cases also got executed. This is the way how to implement this program in C language. This is the way how to implement this program in C language. So let us go for the next one. What we have? We have to see this program in Java. Let us take Java implementation. So how to solve this program in Java, we will see. So the first step is nothing but we are going to declare a scanner class. A scanner obj is equal to a new scanner of I am taking. So system dot in. So after that integer n is equal to obj dot next int I am taking n plus plus, and we are trying to print system dot out dot println of n. We are trying to print the value of n. Now run the code and see what will happen. So both the test cases are working, and if you submit the code, remaining test cases also satisfied. This is the way how you can able to implement the program in Java. So same program I want to implement in Python. Same program I want to implement in Python. So how to implement in Python? Very simple, sir. We are going to take Python code like this. So first step, we have to read a number from the user, then n is equal to n plus 1 and print of n. Why? Because in Python we don't have any increment and decrement operators. That's why I'm going to add that number by 1 unit. Whatever result that we got, we are assigning that value to the same n. That's all. Now run the code. You can see what output we are going to get. So both the test cases are successfully completed, and if you run the code, you can able to see the remaining. This is the way how you can able to execute this program. Okay. So any doubt up to this whatever we covered, please confirm. Clear up to this? Right. So the next program what we are going to discuss here, program number 5. What is this program? Divisible by 3. So we have to implement a program to read a number and we have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, what is the inputs are here? We have to read a number and we have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Suppose if it is divisible by 3, we have to print the message saying yes. If it is not divisible by 3, we have to print the message saying no. Okay, so let us see how to implement this. First I will take example. So I'm going to take a number called let me take with small examples. So first number which I am taking is 3. Is 3 is divisible with 3? Yes, right? So your output should be yes. Next, if you take 4, is it divisible by 3? No, right? The output should be no. So now I am taking 5. Is it divisible by 3? No, right? The output is no. So if I am taking 6, is it divisible by 3? Yes. Like this we have. What is the logic behind this? What is the logic behind this? So very simple, sir. We have to read n value. Okay, we have to read n value from the user. So then we are going to divide. Is n percentage 3 is equal to 0? Then we have to print the message saying yes. Otherwise, we have to print the message saying no. Like this we have. We need to divide a number with the percentage 3. Based on that, we have to decide whether it is divisible or not. So next we will see the implementation of this program in all these 3 languages. But before moving to this, sir, is the logic and the problem statement are clear for you people? Please confirm. Yes, everyone, please confirm. Sir, please respond. Right. So next, let us see this implementation what we have. So what is the program number here? So the program number is nothing but what? 4. So here you can able to see we have a number 3, the output is nothing but yes. We have a number 4, the output is nothing but no. The number 5, so which is nothing but no. Like this we have. Sir, how to implement? So let us see. We are going to take a number from the user. So scanf percentage d comma ampersand n I am taking. So we are going to take printf. We are going to check the condition. Is n percentage 3 is equal to 0? If yes, we are going to print yes. Otherwise, we are going to print no. So just we are going to divide. Just we are going to divide that number with percentage 3. If it is divisible by 3 and the remainder is 0 means yes, it is divisible. Then we are printing the message saying yes. Otherwise, we are printing the message saying no. Like this we have. You can see all the 3 test cases are working fine. Otherwise, you can able to see, so it is going to fail. Sir, all the remaining test cases are passed or not? Yes. This is nothing but what we have here. Now I want to implement the same program in Java. Let us take Java implementation and how to solve this program. So I am taking the problem statement as a Java. So here scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking. So new scanner of I am taking. So system dot in I am taking. then we are going to read one integer value from the user, obj dot next int. So what is the next requirement? We have to check whether it is so divisible by 3 or not. We have to check. So n percentage 3 is equal to 0, I am taking. If it is divisible by 3, we have to print the message saying yes, otherwise we have to print the message saying no. Like this we have. Run the code and see what will happen. You can see there are 3 test cases are there. All the 3 test cases are going to work. If you submit the code and see what will happen, are the remaining test cases are going to work? Yes. This is the way how to implement in Java. Sir, same thing how to implement in Python. In Python we are going to use conditional operator. Okay, we are going to use a conditional operator. Let us see how to apply. So I am taking conditional operator here. N is equal to int of input. So first I will print the message saying yes if that n is divisible with 3. Otherwise we are going to print no. The people who are coming from Python background, you can able to understand this very clearly. So first we are reading a number and we are dividing that number with percentage 3. If it is divisible, it is going to print yes. So the way of representing conditional operator in Python is different, but working principle is the same. First, it will check this condition. If it is true, it will print this one. Otherwise, it is going to print this one. Let us run the code. So perfectly working, and submit the code. Yes. So this is the way how to implement this program in Python. Please confirm everyone. Is this program implementation in all these 3 languages? Is it clear for everyone? Please confirm. Right. So let us see the next one, next program. So what is the next program here? Number of hours. We have to implement a program to read seconds value in the timer, and then we have to convert it into hours. We have to read seconds value and then convert it into hours. For example, for example, so if you are giving 60 seconds, how many hours will be there in the 60 seconds? So 0 hours. Why? Because 60 hours is, sorry, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes will become 1 hour. Okay. That's why if you are giving 60 seconds, yeah, okay, no problem, Gautam. So 60 minutes means it is going to take 1 hour. But we have given hours, right? Seconds, right? That's why it is not going to take. Okay. Now, sir, if I am giving 3600 seconds, what output we will get? Sir, it is nothing but 1 hour we are going to get. If you take 7200 seconds, sir, it is 2 hours. Means what? What is the logic behind this program? We have to read seconds value from the user. We have to read seconds value from the user, and we have to print seconds divided by 3600. Like this, if you take your required result, you are going to get. So let us implement this program in C language. First, we have to take C language implementation of this program. So I will take the program number 5. So let us take in C language. So integer, so seconds is there. I'm going to read the value of seconds from the user like ampersand sec. Then I'm going to print so percentage d into Sir, how you can able to calculate? We know the formula, right? So seconds divided by, if you take a 3600, it is going to return how many hours it will be having. Now let us run the code. Is it working? Yes, perfectly. Three test cases are there. All the three test cases are working. Even if you submit the code, remaining test cases also going to work. This is the way how to implement the program in C language. Now I want to take Java implementation of this program. So how to implement this program in Java, we will see now. So the first step is nothing but scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of I am taking system dot in integer seconds is equal to obj dot I am taking next int, and system dot out dot println, directly we can take seconds divided by 3600. Sir, what output we are going to get? You can see. So all the three test cases are covered, and if you submit the code, the remaining test cases also working. So this is the way how to implement this program in Java. Now I will implement the same program in Python. We will see how it is going to work. Let us go with Python implementation, sir. So I am reading the value of seconds from the user, and then I am trying to print seconds divided by 3600. But don't take single slash, because in Python, single slash is going to return always integer value. We have to take a double slash. Then only it is going to run. You can see. Perfectly working. And submit the code. So this is the way how we can able to execute this program. Everyone please confirm, is the concepts whatever I covered, is it clear for you people? Yes, need response from everyone. Please confirm, is it clear? Right. Right, sir. So that's all about today's session. Remaining things we will continue in the tomorrow's session. Okay, from tomorrow, tomorrow is the last demo. Okay, and from day after tomorrow we will have our regular classes. Okay, so tomorrow you can attend with the same timings. We will cover some 5 more programs in the tomorrow's session. Okay, right, sir. Thank you. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Thank you, guys.